welcome to this webinar on converting mixed numbers and improper fractions. Once children have been introduced to mixed numbers and improper fractions in Year 4, they begin to explore the relationship between the two. This begins by converting mixed numbers to improper fractions. A reminder that a mixed number consists of a whole number and a proper fraction, for example 2 3/4. An improper fraction is where the numerator is equal to or greater than the denominator, for example 7/5. So first let's look at converting mixed numbers to improper fractions. At first, children will explore this concept largely through the use of pictorial representations and concrete models, such as interlocking cubes. In this bar model, we can see that the integer or whole number is 2. And here, 2 wholes are equivalent to 12/6. There are also 3 more sixths. 12/6 plus 3/6 equals 15/6. So the improper fraction would be 15/6. Once they are confident with this as a concept, children move on to using their times table knowledge to find the improper fraction equivalent to the integer part of the mixed number, before adding on any remaining fractional parts. For example, if we wanted to convert 5 1/6 into an improper fraction, we begin by multiplying the whole number 5 by the denominator, which is 6. 5/6, or 5 lots of 6/6, is 30/6. Then we just need to add the final sixth, or in other words the numerator, which would give us 31/6. In short, to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction, we multiply the whole number by the denominator and then add the numerator. So if we look at these further examples, 2 times 5 is 10, or 10/5. Adding on the numerator, which is 4, would give us a final answer of 14/5. Again, in the next example, 10 times 6 would equal 60, or 60/6. And then if we add on our numerator, 5, would give us a final answer of 65/6. So now we're going to take a look at converting improper fractions back to mixed numbers. Again, children will first explore this concept using pictorial representations, such as in the example here. This bar model represents 23/6. Each bar is divided into 6 equal parts, and we have 23 parts in total. This can also be written as 3 wholes with 5/6 left over. Once children are confident with this as a concept, they move on to a more abstract approach using division and remainders. Once again, understanding the whole is key to their understanding. So if we look at the example 32/7, the first thing we need to do is see how many times 7 goes into 32, or in other words 32 divided by 7. So it would go in evenly 4 times with a remainder of 4, or in other words 4/7. This would give us a mixed number of 4 4/7. Finally, a couple more examples to finish. 107 divided by 10 would give us 10 wholes with a remainder of 7. So our mixed number is 10 7/10. In the second example, 22 divided by 3 would be 7 with a remainder of 1. So our mixed number would be 7 1/3. Thank you for listening. I hope you found this webinar helpful.